Hey everyone, thank you once again for tuning in to another episode of Trini Mom Beauty. Hey! So today I'm going to be filming a vlog of what I shot on Saturday morning. I went and I did a hike up Bamboo Cathedral, that's in Chaguramas, Trinidad and Tobago, and I also went to Arrianne's garage sale. But without me babbling, let's get started. Good morning guys. So I am on my way to Bamboo Cathedral and yeah, the time is, what's the time now?
7:45.
The time is 7:15, so we're real late. So we're gonna be walking up the Bamboo Cathedral. I'm going to die. This is like gonna be my third time walking up. So what I did, I got myself a little exercise on Thursday by doing the Lady Chancellor Hill. So I am praying that this time I do not crawl up the hill, because like the first time I came up, I was dead. Like halfway, not even halfway, before halfway up, I was like... So guys, pray for me. I am praying for myself that I get up the hill and Chris doesn't complain that I crawled up the hill. So we're here, we're gonna start walking. Wish me luck. So we are at the start and I'm already tired. So, wish me luck, time to reach up the hill. Chris, do you think I could do it? Let's go. Come on. Really? Really, Chris? Really? I swear, this hill is no joke, bro. I'm literally dying. And they're saying not even close. What? Chris, take off that damn camera. This guy over here is acting like he's He-Man, you know?
Nothing for me.
It's nothing for you.
Nothing.
But I'm dying. Do you not see my face?
Yeah, I do see your face.
We're almost there.
You can do it.
Really? Really?
Come on, come on. And she's finally here.
I thought I was gonna die.
She's finally here.
Bruh, I thought I was legit going to die. Like, seriously. And he sprinted up the hill. Yeah, didn't you sprint? Yeah? He sprinted and left me. Right? You wicked.
I'm wicked.
Challenge complete. Let's keep walking. Like, the hard thing about the hill is going up. But when you get up, it's worth it. It's really beautiful. So a lot of people come here on a Saturday morning. And I just feel like I could die now. You wanna go for it?
You see? This is not even.
I'm asking you, wanna walk
If it
up?
ran, it would go intense.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Why not? All the way up? All the way up? just peace.
I go all the way up now.
I can't believe I can still go all the way up after that.
Just walk in the center.
Okay. Wow.
Move it, move.
Wow, for real. I think I'm done. I can't go no more, girl.
Really? Really?
Really? That's your big stretch? You showing off, right? You showing off? Drop and give me 10. Give me 10. You like to show off? Give me 10. 10? Yeah, 10. Alright, give me how much you can give me. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Okay, show off now. Hey, I said 10. All of a sudden, reach the top.
Yeah, energy now.
I have energy at the jump now. We came back down the hill. Rain started to fall. I think you guys should try this trail. If you're really adventurous. The hike itself is not that bad, but if you're a beginner, I would advise you start something simple, like you could do a savanna a flat place. Do it for like a week or 3 times. Then you could target the Chancellor, something with a slighter incline before you target this, because I'm telling you, the incline. But coming down the hill was a breeze for me and Chris. He's just playing. Next clip is going to be me going to Arrianne's garage sale. Y'all are not going to want to miss this. She has a lot of stuff, and yeah, y'all are going to enjoy that part. Next clip. So guys, I am here. I got here a little kind of late-ish, and all the stuff I was marking online gone. So I have Chris doing husband duties. Hey, yay. He will also be doing this type of husband duty too, right? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going to try on the stuff and
Hey guys! I'm so glad that she made it to my garage sale!
her sales are always so epic. OMG, I always get really cool stuff. So yeah.
I'm glad. I try to do them like a couple times a year and clean out the closet, clean out the vibe, make room for new stuff.
Do more.
Yeah, I will. Let's go and try on the stuff that you have and see if you like anything.
Yay! Guys, I was good today. Chris, wasn't I good today?
No comments.
I was good today.
Well, you know I hit me get up and I got it too, so I pulled the trigger.
I'm just saying. And right now, I have to thank. Can I put you on camera?
Show them the trick.
I have to thank I have to thank Anna because she helped me choose out some really cool stuff.
Hi from far.
Hi from where?
From far.
Yeah, hi from a distance. She helped me pick out some really cool stuff and I'll show you guys in a little haul video. Y'all are gonna wanna see this. Hey. Alright, so that's it for me and this vlog. She has this really cool camera though, guys. Like,
Yes!
I'm
it is
trying.
a little DJI Osmo Pocket that has like a gimbal and it records in 4K and it's really cool. I'm now trying to get like all the uses out of it. So this is my little setup.
Don't forget to follow her on YouTube. I'll put her handle right there.
Oh, thank you.
And on Instagram. Do not forget, it's right there. Ari, thank you so much. You're awesome.
Thank you for coming.
Yay! Chris, thank you for spending your money.
And I would also like to thank you for spending your money.
Yay, right? Hey! Alright, guys, we are out. Bye, guys. Alright, babes. You're so sweet. I opened the door for you, yeah? Open the door for you, yes. Go on since you spent your money. Hey! You trying on my stuff? Wait, don't. I've got this. I got this. Go ahead, honey. Now here's what happened. Now Ari told all of us to walk with a bag because we all about the sustainable stuff and not polluting and you know that sort of stuff. It's a thrift, it's a garage sale, so you're supposed to walk with your bags, and I forgot because I did the walk this morning, fell asleep, and then I woke up because she did it by appointment. You have to come within a certain time, and my time was between the hours of 12 and 3, and I woke up at 12:15. The weather was really, there was rain, and so I fell asleep. But I didn't walk with a bag, and while she offered me a bag, I know this is about sustainable stuff, so I didn't take the bag. I got a lot of stuff. How much did you spend, Chris?
$285.
And it only cost $285. So you have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video next week, Thursday. Bye, guys. Chris, tell them bye.